Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. So today fatafat I want to share this one ingredient which will do wonders on the skin. I've shared this already in the past, but I've been using it recently and I'm seeing amazing results with it. So I thought fatafat, why not share it with you. So this is amazing to lighten your tan, pigmentation, discoloration, acne marks, wound marks super fast. This one ingredient will suit every skin type. This one ingredient is very good for even sensitive skin. My skin is very sensitive and it suits me amazingly. So I thought why not share it with you. It's just a slice of tomato. That's all. Rub it on your skin. Thing is, I'm in OT babies and I don't have Wi-Fi connection here. That's why I'm not regular. And prior to traveling, I was busy. So all that is the lame excuses, because if I had to do it, I would have done it. Yeah, so today I got jhatka and I was like, I'm gonna do it no matter what. With my mobile data, stand near the window and publish this video. I hope it's possible. So just put it on your skin, rub it nicely under your eyes, so that you don't feed your eyes, on the lid also. Just leave it on your skin for 5 minutes. That's all. You'll see brighter skin super fast. This ingredient literally lightens the tan and discolored skin and makes it even tone. Now many of you all have doubts why I don't like tan skin. Tan skin on me does not look great. I don't have that amazing tan look or that bronzy look. My skin looks discolored completely. Somewhere it's blue, somewhere it is brown, somewhere it's black. I look hideous when it comes to patchy skin. So I don't like it. Simple. So I find remedies and ingredients which will lighten that and make my skin even tone. So yeah, I don't mind if I have an amazing tan, but I don't have an amazing tan. I have uneven skin. So let this be on my skin for like 5 minutes and then I'll get back. So babies, I am going to wash my face now. It's been 5 minutes. The lighting is really bad out here. Secondly, I don't have a space to shoot as of now because the house is in a mess. It has to be cleaned. So very soon it'll be cleaned and then I'll shoot properly. This is just somewhere in the house. I just started recording. So I'll just wash my skin. I applied it on my lips also. So yeah, just wash my face and I'll get back. So just wash my face and it's looking nice. In one application you will see a good difference. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit of ghee. This is not a must, but when I do this combination it gets me more amazing results. So I'm just going to warm up this ghee because here it's all frozen. It's so cold in OT, guys. So if you're planning to come to OT, just think twice, thrice, because it's so cold. The weather right now is not so great. Maybe after some time it will be great. Right now it's rainy and too cold. So the ghee which I'm using is from Baifa Ayurveda. I just apply it on my whole. This is very good. These two steps for sunburns, tan, it just heals the skin super fast. But always do a patch test if you have any doubts, because what suits me might not suit you and what suits you might not suit me. Keep a track about what you eat and drink. Everything matters. Yeah, that's all. Whatever's remaining, just apply it on your hands. Now I'll take you in front of my light. I was literally talking behind the light. Yeah, so this is how my skin is right now. So yeah, I hope you found this remedy useful. Do try these two steps. Superb. If you don't want to try the ghee recipe, if you don't want to apply ghee, it's fine, but ghee is amazing for the skin. Clarified butter. So yeah, these two steps, if you do it, it's amazing. You're gonna love it if you do these two steps. So yeah, I'll see you later in another video very soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit on that bell. Baby, my house is in a mess. That's why I didn't want to show you. I mean, like, maybe this, yeah. Okay, whatever. So yeah, I hope you found this remedy useful. Don't forget to apply it on your lips too. And yeah, I'll see you later in another video very soon. Don't forget to hit on the bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video, because I'm going to be coming up with many remedies. See you later.